Alright guys, so today we're out here at our Mount Henry. If you look, right there's Mount Henry, and that's all our oversized. Can't grind it down too big, no customer wants it, so we'll send it back out here and let Mother Nature take its course. Most of our pumps all look like this. Inside this, we have an impeller that turns, connected by arbor, pulleys, belts, all the way down to the motor. And this line is actually going all the way from the plant out here. And if I would have to guess, it's probably about maybe 1.5 miles of line. And it goes from there on out. Once again, there's Mount Henry. PUO2A, there's an arbor, a motor. And if you're unfamiliar with pumps or maintenance in general, and you just want to learn, arbor's turning, the impeller on the inside. This ring right here going around, that tightens up on our packing. And the packing just keeps the water and material from coming and spewing back out. The packing bolts, got your box. These bolts right here, or these nuts, they tighten up on bolts that are connected to the liners on the inside of this. There's your front liner, back liner. You know it's tight. That front liner's tight when there's no gap right here. Tighten these bolts up right here on it. The front liner just lays in there. Back liner is tightened down with these. Our pulleys and belts. That's grease fit. It's just common stuff. The rotation. All this to get sand. So 150 horsepower. A 44.5T frame. That's pretty much it, guys. We have multiple pumps. You'll have a pump here. About 1 mile that way, you might have another pump. But this is the return. And this is what we call Mount Henry. Just pumps it right on back out. Let Mother Nature grind it back down, and then 30 years from now, 20 years from now, however long it takes, we'll come and we'll mine this again.